So again, I didn't even hold it, which I should have, but I didn't hold that. It was
What's up, Booger?
flash. I thought that it was gonna be right there, the consolidation and pop back, but nope. Continue further. So now with the structure, um, and it's up 8%. Why not test that $6 strategy and see if it makes it up there? Because if not, then we got a continuance on the downside. Excuse me.
Did you get everything squared away with your account so you can trade again?
No, no, I have 2 more days.
Ah,
Yep, I have 2 more days, and then I can go ahead and make um this last withdrawal out of this account, and then once the once the money is taken out of it, then I'll go ahead and trade it and pass it. Yep, yep. So nope, it's just being patient, still waiting.
so you paper
I think
trading
when
today?
yeah, yeah,
Nice.
yeah. I think I have till like Wednesday morning.
It's me.
So
It's me.
hopefully it's like Tuesday afternoon. If it's Tuesday afternoon, then that'd be great. At least I can look forward to getting paid maybe on Friday. If not, probably send it Sunday.
Nice, nice.
I gotta get a laptop. I gotta get a laptop um so I can get a second. I want to get a swing account again. Um, I gotta get a laptop. I can't trade TTP on. I can't go back and forth out of like log out, log into. I can't do that. Mm-mm. That's just too much for me.
Yeah, laptop's nice, especially if you're gonna travel.
Yeah. Yep. And I'll be doing that in September, so I definitely gonna need that. And I want to get the what is it that try screen for the laptops.
Oh,
Yep,
yeah, I want
I've
that as
got one
well.
of those.
Oh yeah, how do you like it? You
I
like it?
I love it.
Oh man, where'd you get yours from?
I want to say Amazon.
Did you get
Let
it
me
Amazon? Okay,
let
it
me
works. It works off Amazon. Like
yeah, let me
good.
see if I can find it.
Oh, Parade. This is your P&L. Nice. I didn't even see this until now in the chat.
No, that's not mine. Yeah, that's the guy I told you about.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, you're right. Okay, I'm thinking that says 300, 609. I was like, okay, you all the way up there to almost 4,000. No, that's
Yeah,
that's
millions.
jeez. Yeah,
Millions.
yeah, that's millions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he's over here doing his thing. 159, 44, 725. What a week.
And that's oligo.
Wow. What a week.
Let's see. I'll throw this in the chat. This is the one that I got.
Okay. Let me see. Fopo. Okay. Fopo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that.
And then I got this case for it.
Hey, that's funny. The picture that they have on there showcasing this is a dude trading. Yeah, because what else would you use it for? We're not gonna do no 9 to 5. We're trading. We're making money off of this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is nice. I like this. And it's only $200. It's not bad.
Yeah, you want to make sure that it's your laptop has a couple of um, USB-C ports.
Yeah, because it looks like you need them on both sides, the USB ports. Um,
Yeah, USB-C.
yeah, so yeah, I got to get a laptop that has them on both sides. Okay.
Homeless. What the hell are you calling homeless? Banned.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're up $448.15 on the day from when I traded earlier this morning. I don't know that I'm going to take any more trades, but market opens at 9:30, so in like 12 minutes.
Yeah, I gotta get me a laptop that has more than 8 gigs of RAM. I need at least 16 for now. Here's one. 15.6 business laptop. 16 1 terabyte battery. That's nice. Um, HSDT is trying to make a comeback. Might go ahead and have to paper trade it.
It's got a nice curl to it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm looking to take if it spikes, I'm looking to take a trade in that $16 area. Did that case come with it, or did you have to buy it separately?
No, I bought it separately.
Separately, okay.
Yeah.
And you put your laptop in that case too, or just the
No,
screens?
just the screens.
Just the screens, okay.
Yeah. Because the screens they fold up into it's basically one 12-inch screen.
Gotcha.
But it's got a little bit of thickness to it.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, definitely. I gotta invest in that. So before I can get in a second account, like an eval account, I gotta get a laptop. Got to.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have to take this at your own risk. Your own risk. Sorry, man. I still haven't fixed that. I don't know why it's not working. I tried messing around with it this weekend.
Give me a second. I'm gonna go get some coffee, well, more coffee before this market opens. Be right back.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. Like the browser source is set up for it and everything. I don't know. There's a disconnect between Lumia Stream and OBS. I don't know. It's weird. No. I tried fucking around with it this weekend. But it didn't work.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Oh, you can hear me. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Good morning, Pare. Good morning, Parker.
Parker stepped away.
Oh, was he? How are we all doing?
Good.
How's your day been, Eddie? Did you get an eval, or did you say that was going to be Wednesday?
It's probably going to be Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just waiting for my check to hit my account.
Yeah. Well, I took one red trade today, so not off to a good start again.
Oh, on what ticker?
HSDT. I don't know if I did something wrong or if it was just a trade that didn't work out. I'll probably give Taquito a little bit of time off from me, and then I'll ask him. He must be so fed up with me. It's like, oh God, he's here again. Because I messaged him yesterday with some charts.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, I try not to bombard him too much. So yeah, I need to screenshot it and see what you know, it might not be that I did something wrong. It might have just been a trade that didn't work. But it was a red trade, so not a great start to the day or the week.
Well, hopefully it wasn't too red.
No, I just had my usual risk on it, so it's okay. So I've definitely improved on that. That I stick to that small risk per trade. And I was thinking, I'm not sure if you were there when I was saying about over trading. I don't mean I overtrade as in how we normally mean overtrade, but I think because my win rate is so low at the moment, I need to take less trades. I was allowing myself 3 or 4 trades because previously my win rate was like a lot higher, like a lot higher.
Yeah.
So I thought, well, I can do that. 3 or 4 trades, but no, I think I probably need to adjust that until things improve. So maybe 2 or 3. I might allow myself 2 more.
My sweet spot is 4 trades.
What do you say, Pare?
My sweet spot is 4 trades.
4 trades.
Yeah. If I go over, then I lose most
Yeah.
of the data. And 2 is too little, and so
Yeah.
just went through. If I do 2R,
What's your
then I quit.
What's your win rate at the moment, Pare?
I think it's 30. It's getting down because I don't take I didn't take parcels in 4 months. So
Yeah. So that's actually my problem. That my win rate's dropped from about 66% to well, it was as low as 22, and now it's about 34.
Yeah.
So when 66% of the trades you take are red, that can the greens need to be bigger than they are for me anyway.
yeah, I have 2.5 or something.
Yeah, no, well, I don't.
Yeah, sorry about that, one guy.
Yeah, but I went through my trades again the weekend. So if I took these days, then make over 4 trades, and these where I take 4 trades, so my daily PNL should be double. So my daily PNL is about, I think the average is $23 or something. And if I take only 4 trades, so it's 45 or 46. So I have really to watch these 4 trades.
Yeah.
Then I went to the small cap thing, the guy, the Jeppets I have told. So I went through his trade, and he's taking trades like this HSDT. So he would take it probably at the first week at 70.50, but his stop loss is 40% up. So he nearly ever gets tagged out.
Who is this, Pare?
Right, all right. I am back.
40%, did you say?
Yeah,
Good morning,
stop loss. So he usually the scappers don't go over 40%. He has done a back test from 2019. Every trade that has gone over to 100%.
Who were you talking about?
The Finnish guy, the Jeppets, the billionaire today.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well,
He's basically doing the same that Michael did on the video, but now he's doing the algo thing. He don't take under $3 stocks.
So get PMN.
Oh, it's 40 seconds to start.
Yep.
Okay, Parker, what have you got for me?
I'm actually gonna paper trade BZAI. I got a thesis on this. It's curling up, but I want to see how it looks at this $6 area. Now it's at 540. So I want to take it right here at open. Um, let me get in my paper trading account.
See,
Yeah,
it's up 12.8%.
yeah.
Yeah.
I want to take it right here, and I'm gonna risk that 635. If we can get above that 635, then then there's no reason for me to continue holding this. Um, yeah, I just got in now. I literally just got in now, so oh, and good luck, everyone. Market's open.
Yeah. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
But yeah, so BZAI is just my top watch right now. I'm waiting for a HSDT to kind of curl back, but it looks like it's probably not. I wanted to curl back to the $16 area before taking a short.
I'm not that one, so make sure you get loads out of it.
Uh-oh, what happened? Did you take a long on it?
Yes, I did earlier on in the pre-market. I'm not sure if it was an error or just a trade that didn't work, but I don't like it anymore. So yeah, get it good.
Okay, all right.
Make
Oh
sure you
no,
get loads and loads out of it, Parker.
yeah, yeah, that's only if it curls back up. It's I'm not gonna trade it on until I get to that 16 area. At least 16. It has to be at 16 so I can risk that $19. But it looks like it's gone.
Yeah, to zero. Take it all the way to zero. That's what I
Yeah,
say.
yeah. Yeah, so BZAI is gonna be my watch. It looks like it's popped up. So was I too early on my entry?
I'm
Uh,
already in Nike and two are on that.
maybe,
Was easy.
maybe, but we'll see. We'll see.
Looking at HSDT for a short.
HSDT.
Yeah.
Get it, Eddie. Get it. Get
How where's are you already in it?
No, I'm just looking
Okay.
at it.
No.
Taking DJT over 250.
Yeah, it's a nice short, but that like I said, it's under 50% on the day now. So that's yeah, it's not enough for me.
What's your theory on the 50%?
Well, the 50%, once it gets below 50% on the day, the charts most of the stocks are just choppy and slow. Um, some of them fade back to zero and or go red on the day, but when you're at that 50%, it gets kind of just choppy and slow. You don't get enough.
Gotcha.
I don't get it. Well, I don't get enough meat on the bone for it. So
That
um,
makes sense.
now, yeah. So this is a higher stock though. So don't get me wrong. It's a higher stock. You can definitely get 50 cents to $1 out of it if you want to trade it. Right here at this 50% mark is just I like faders. So I don't see how much, how far this can fade down considering that it's, at the 50% mark on the day.
you would never take a short on something that's only up 50% on the day.
Not see, that's the thing though. Not to say that I wouldn't, because here's the thing. This stock right here, right? If it has my setup, it created the low at 1236, right? So if it goes to create a high and it comes back down to the low, I can literally take this. If I want to take this to $11, I know for a fact that it could hit $11. Okay. The only problem with that is it's literally going against my rule of thumb of the 50%. So yes, this one may work, but the next one that's maybe like a $4 stock. Now, if I take that at 50% and it literally jumped from $3, how much am I getting off of that? Am I going to get $1 off of that? Probably not. Um, those are the ones that you would have to be careful for because those are the ones that are usually pop like midday afternoon session, you know? So that's the only reason why I try to avoid the 50% um, area. Or if I'm in a stock, I would like to kind of fade it down to like that 50% and take profits.
So do you mean 50% from where it was at its high of the pre-market, or 50% full stop? Because BZAI is only, what is it, 13?
Yeah, so you see right now it's at 55% on the day. I'm
On
talking about on the day. That's it.
BZAI?
Because you no, I'm sorry, BZAI. I
Yeah.
thought you was talking about HSTD
Oh,
TD.
no, I was just talking generally, but because you said 50%, I was thinking in relation to BZAI. Do you mean,
Oh, yeah,
are you
no,
in,
no, 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 no. Okay, so no, BZAI is a complete different story. Yeah, the previous low is right here at two. Is that what 290 or 299? So at 299, and this stock is at the high of today is at 584. I got way over 50% on that.
oh,
That's
you
That's
over
refer,
50%.
that's funny.
you refer it, oh, okay. So I thought you meant what it was up on the day.
No, 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 no. Mm-mm. No, 50%. If you look at HSDT, look at HSDT.
Yeah.
The previous close was at 890. Or is at 894, 890. I'm just saying 890, right? Times that by two, you're gonna be like 16, 17. That's what I'm talking about. The percentage on there. It's already back at 13. So we're like in the 50% range. That's why I want to trade it at 16, 17. That way I have 100% range to work with.
Yeah, you see, I thought you meant on the day because the previous close of BZAI is 481, so it's currently
Right.
yeah.
No,
Oh,
no, no, no. The daily
right,
chart. Yeah,
right.
no, the daily chart.
So you okay? I get it.
Yeah.
What was your
No.
entry on BZAI, by the way? Because it's looking like it's working for you.
I got it right at the open at 544.
Ah,
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to halt for a moment there as I watched it, but it hasn't.
Mm-mm.
the only thing I want to hit
Yeah, I'm
is
sorry.
my
I was
profit
I was still
margins.
talking. I thought you was really I thought you were talking about HSDT. I was like,
Oh no, I was
am I am I going crazy?
no, I was just talking generally. Do you mean on the day, or do you mean if it was up, um, for example, 100%, and then at the open it was less than 50%, you wouldn't take
Yeah.
it? Or did you mean if it was up 25% and then it was 12%, you wouldn't take it? Yeah. So, well,
Yeah,
I get it
no,
now.
no. I normally no. The rule of thumb is when I look at charts, I go to the daily and I say, hey, okay, the previous close, where's that at? And then I want to know where the previous 5 day, the 5 day low, where's that at? Um, and if you look at BZAI, yes, this was on Friday. This was a gapper. So the previous 5 day, you can say today, yesterday, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it touched 274. So that's like the low of this move.
All right, I'm
And
in
then you
short
can say the
150
high, which
shares at
is right now, which
1275.
is 584. What percentage are we up by? Are we over 50%? Are we close to that 100%? Um, that's how these stocks get on my list. It's just like, all right, what's going on in this situation? Is there enough meat on the bone for me to take this? Because if this goes in my favor, I can definitely see this going to $4. Now, on a $5 stock or $6 stock, a dollar move is a big chunk of the move.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah, I've not heard anyone. Yeah, I always thought when you were
I
talking
want to see
about
this
that
go down
50%, I
flush
always
for me.
thought you were looking at, okay, it was 100% in the pre-market and now it's at 45, so I'm not interested. That's
yeah,
literally what I thought you meant. Yeah,
yeah, and no, and that does make sense, but we have to understand what type of stock is it? Is this a gapping crap? Because if it gaps and this is like that day one green move, then yes, it would be 50% on the day. But if we're talking about a second day mover on it and the stock is still up, well then now we have to consider the entire range, which is like I said before that what was the previous 5 days? You know what I'm saying? So so yeah, that's how I calculate it.
yeah, I get it. Thank you, Parker. That's really interesting.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, that's why we love the round table, don't we? Hey,
Oh
Nico.
yeah.
Yeah, we it's just so good to be here together and talk trading with each other and learn from each other.
Yeah, yeah, no, for sure. No, I can see how that can be confusing because like looking at BCAI is like, dude, that's like 20%. Like, oh yeah, it's 20%, but if you look at the full range, you'd be like, okay, now I see what he's talking about.
Yeah, I mean, you just got it in, and then you said, "I don't take it. I'm not going to take it because it's under 50%." And I thought, well, "What you on about? You've just got in BZAI."
Yeah, no, no, I see.
I'm done for today.
How did it go, Pare?
Took Nike 2 times, 4 hours.
Oh, well done. Where's the
First
chart?
pop up and then
Oh,
the pullback and then second time.
very nice. I know. I don't think I even know how to trade these large caps anymore. But well done. Very good.
Oh,
Now we're
Apple
back.
had a nice bicep up also.
You have to,
Now
you
we're
have to
back here
stay
at the
with us
top here.
even though you're done for the day.
What?
You still have to stay with us here in the round table, even though you're done trading.
I go home. Oh, I'm ready
Yeah.
at home.
I was going to say, where are you trading from, if not at home?
Yeah, but you trade the small cap, so I don't care.
Yeah. HSDT right under VWAP here. And this is what I'm talking about, Val. Like this here, this HSDT, it's at $12. So if it was to break this 1236, it's low. If you wanted to trade that, you can still get your average, RR. You can get 30, 40, 50 cents out of this stock. Just because the way that it's moving. And it's a very, very low float. So, could you take this and right now it just broke? Would it go 50 cents on the chart? Absolutely. But this here would be breaking my rule of thumb, considering that not all charts are the same. So that's why I won't take this trade.
I'm in it. I got in at 1275.
Yeah, nice, nice. And you're about to, if it goes, that's a dollar gain. So that's nice trade, very nice. If it goes for you, it's retracing right here.
Yeah, I want to see it flush.
Yeah. Yeah, it just broke that lower day. So and there's nothing there. 1128. Yeah, there it goes. 12. 94.
Keep going down. Keep going down. I'm up $100 on it trade so far.
There you go. There's your dollar right there. You said you got in at what, 1187 or 77?
$12.75.
Oh, 1275. Yeah. Yeah, you literally right there. Yeah, good trade. Nope, 75, 65.
Set my stop loss at 1204. It's $106 profit for share. I'm still in
Okay.
it. See it go.
We're at $6. Now let's see. Let's see if we get a fail right here. Where was your stop at, Eddie, for HSDT?
Right now it's at 1204.
1204. Okay.
Beats at AI have no resistance at 6.
Don't reverse. Don't reverse.
BZAI has not been nice to you, Parker.
Not yet, not yet. We have some rejection right here at 612.
Where's
So it's
you? Where's your risk?
my max risk is at 640. I'm not going no further than 640. So that's a full dollar loss.
Okay.
Yep,
Are you paper trading?
I am paper trading. Yeah.
Are you still waiting on your? How many days have you got left now?
It says two.
Oh,
It
two.
says two, but it
Hey.
does go by the hours too. So I think I have till tomorrow.
Oh, okay. That's
You know
great.
how like they calculate the days and the hours. So I
Yeah,
think it should turn into 13 today, like by 12. We'll see. Yeah.
that's great. Yeah,
No, and then
yeah.
hopefully I can get a withdrawal in, and
That 14-day thing, it's too much, isn't it?
yeah, yeah. And that's why you said it best. I think that's the reason why a lot of the funded traders, they get two accounts, so that way they don't have to wait. That 14-day, they can take one and then take the other. Make it kind of like a weekly thing. Um, yeah, I'm just not there yet. So
That's yeah. It's all in your own time. You've got to do everything that what suits you,
right.
because you don't want to be taking time out of your funded account to be trying to pass an eval, because that's opportunity cost as well, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, but here's the thing though. Um, I think patience is the key thing here. Um, and as I
There
stated
goes
before,
BZI.
um, yeah, it's definitely rejecting the $6 area for sure. So we'll see if it kind of retraces and breaks past. I'm not getting too excited yet. Um, if I get a lower low, then I'm gonna add into it, risk this daily high, and that'd be it. But no, no, as I was saying about that, is patience is very important because um, the beginning of this account, I could have just waited, but I decided to do bad things and kind of deplete the account. So I think at this moment in time, it's like, all right, you got to be patient and wait because it's still a hot market, So um, there's no need to be impatient because my trade setup is working nice. So yeah,
Yeah,
so that's that. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. So 2 more days, and we'll go from there.
yeah. I mean, there are worse problems to have, Parker, than getting to the scaling target too soon.
Yeah, yeah, hey, trust me. Yeah, I know, I know. So hey, um, yeah. So I'd rather just sit back, be patient, and um, do it this way. The worst case scenario is right for me is I just go ahead and take a trade and pass it, and then I got to sit there and deal with the bull crap with well, hey, we got to wait, or we got to shut this down, and now you're not gonna get paid. Nah, I'm okay. Or I can sit here and trade and deplete my account again, and have a worse headache. So yeah,
Yeah. Let's not do that. That option doesn't sound good.
yeah. So I think it's best for me to
It's a nice
just
$100 trade.
just be patient.
Nice
Can you
$100
guys hear me?
trade.
Let me see. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
Yeah.
you perfectly. You sound good.
What about now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Say something else.
Can you, can you
Yeah,
hear me now?
yeah, we can hear
Dude,
you.
so I'm just looking at my headphones because I got these the Turtle Beaches, and they have this silencer on the actual headphone, so I can click it like for talk and or mute. And I'm sitting here talking, and I'm looking at it, and it's on mute. And I'm just like, how are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, I'm in the green today. I'm up
Yeah. I was like, this thing is broken.
$548.65 on the day.
I paid some money for these headphones.
Yeah.
Cheap little thing.
Yeah,
Alright.
we can hear you good.
Oh, so much for that.
LMFA looks good.
Let's take a look here and see. Refresh. PMN is still my number one. Anybody look at SABS?
So
This one looks like it's
I
kind of taken off.
I got paid on the yesterday on the 20th, but I gotta wait for it to hit my account.
Which I'm missing.
So then I'll do another eval. Probably.
What is this? Let me see. It's a biotech.
Probably Wednesday.
Biotech.
And my profit target to hit is 1,500.
Million. Private investment. Okay.
Oh, there goes LMFA. It's too late on that.
TD1 study, but they've already secured it. So if they already secured it, there's no reason on why this stock should be held up any longer on this. But this is up 112%.
Hey Joe, welcome. Welcome to the fun house.
That's tough.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
I'll see. Hey, good morning. I'll keep this on watch and see if we get another low on this.
Oh, I'm not friends with BZAI now either. I had an order waiting at the daily 200 and it didn't get there. It was meant to fail. It was meant to fail at the daily 200 and not before.
Okay, what was the daily 200 for you on your screen?
Those were my instructions to it, and it did not do it. 641.
641. See, and that's exactly where my risk is at. So now, since you said that, I'm gonna make my risk at 645.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Yeah. I normally, I mean, I haven't taken a lot of these daily 200 fails, but I normally give them 10% over the daily 200.
Yeah.
Or it depends, but yeah, roughly 10%. But it didn't do it. It popped up and didn't get there. So
okay,
we need to have BZAI and me need to say, look, you need to pop up to the daily 200 and that's when you can start going down and not before.
Yeah. Well, hey, no, I mean, I was talking about this earlier. No, there's resistance at that. If you look at the previous pre-market, it failed 7 dramatically. And then it failed to even hold up the $6 area, and that's where we had that consolidation. Before it really failed. So that was my thesis going into this play that it needs to pass this 550 area, 580 area, and then when we get to this $6 area, not only is this being said that it's this is supposed to be in the $6 area anyway, but we have some resistance. It wasn't able to hold up. So
there's a nice
that's good.
On the monthly at 572 to 599.
So
then
one of them is funded.
I think I've got some overlap here. Then weekly,
and he can't trade right now because he's waiting for his payout. And then once he requests his payout, then he can start trading again and upgrade his account.
676. So yeah,
the rest of us are
sort of just
Not
pop
funded.
up and then go on the way down. I don't like all
Some
this
are doing
indecision.
eval.
Gotcha. Well, you know what? If that's the case, I got an average at 544. So then technically I should, and you have your daily 200 at 641.
Yeah, 641. So for my order, which it hasn't got there, of course, I've put my stop at 689.
Okay. Well, then what I can do is I should take my max at 650 if it goes back and retrace that. But I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. If we break this low at this 20, I'm gonna go ahead and add into my position, and 612 is gonna be my high of the day for my
Yeah.
risk.
Well, the
So
24-hour gap is at approximately, the middle of it is at approximately 650. So that's interesting that you said that.
yeah, so that'd be my max. It's $1. So and if
Yeah.
it and I see it like this, if we can get to 650 and kind of just hold that area, $7 is right around the corner. You're not gonna tell me that it's not gonna retest. So and
Yeah.
guess what? I'm not gonna be in it when it does. So it is what it is.
Yeah. Uh, what are you looking at, Joe? Let me guess. What's it called? Is it Circle?
Oh, he's got to be
I can't
looking at
remember.
SBET.
Yeah.
He's looking at Circle, SBET, and
Yeah, you got
well,
that
you
right.
are, aren't you?
I was looking at Circle, SBET, LMFA. I've got MEIP out of the corner of my eye, UAVS as well.
Yeah.
But I'm so late to the mark. I have no plan. I have
Hey,
no plan whatsoever.
I'm getting to know your watch list without you even telling me, Joe.
Yeah.
Eddie, are you still in HSDT?
No, I got stopped out
Gotcha. Yeah.
for a
Hey, good
profit.
trade, dude. Good trade.
Yeah, 1275 to 1204.
No. Yeah, and see, like I said, I mean that's you could definitely profit it all off of it. Um, it's just not my trade. So good.
I'm looking for Nike 74 breakout and retest. Then I will take it to third time.
Okay, Pare, you
But
making me
that would
want to
be
just look
would
at
be nice if I
look,
get
look,
6 out from Nike.
what is the ticker for Nike?
NKA.
NKA. No, that's not Nike, is it?
NKE.
NKE, yes.
NKE.
Yeah.
Okay, there it goes. Getting out of the small cap land. Let me see.
We can't have too many people on the sunny side here in the round table, don't forget.
Oh, oh, if this doesn't say bullish on this chart, I don't know what else does.
I
Look at that
know,
nice green candle. Jeez.
I know. I'm just looking at it on Pare's chart. I would have done much better to have traded that today.
I took small parcel now. I mean Nike again.
Oh yeah. No, this
Nike chart
this
does
here,
look
I mean,
good.
Pare, did you not say about 15 minutes ago, I'm done for the day?
Yeah, but I also have said that I can trade 4 times. So
Okay.
and if I see a trade, I don't skip that. But this is half lot, so
So
I'm
you're done.
risking only $18, so
So
$25.
you're done for the day unless you see something else you want to trade. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, but you said I have to be here, so I can't be here if I.
so I
Yeah,
so I
that's
so
your fault.
I'm just gonna assume that when you get off your computer that your bed is like right next to the screen where you can see it. So when you take your power naps and you just open that one eye, when you see something, you're just like, okay, I gotta get up.
Yeah.
Your chair's
Looking
like
for
right
a
next to your
pullback
bed.
here on subs.
Roll on over.
SABS. I want to see it come back
Yeah,
maybe to the
let's
$6
get there with it.
level, and then I'll consider getting in for how long. There's
now
the
I can lose
$6
only
level.
$8 on that. So
Yeah, no, that's a nice setup regardless. So you looking at the previous day, look at that consolidation, and it just popped right on through this morning. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I
let's
took
see
it
what
from
it does.
73.
what it does. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this one too now. SABS got
Just
another rejection at this 660.
yeah, that's the 52-week high.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be a short.
I'm tempted by it myself.
I was looking at it
See.
for a long, but now you guys talking about shorting it. It's got me nervous.
Yeah, I am. It after it takes out this lower low, five, 516. We get to there. I'm taking it.
Yeah, but you trade your trade, Eddie. Don't trade our trade.
Yeah,
I mean,
no, for sure.
I'm undecided on direction at the moment, but I am looking for a short, not a long at this point.
There it goes.
And of course, without me, because I was busy.
Oh my gosh, what a flush. It's out. Jeez.
Wow, I'm glad I didn't get in.
Wow. Gone without me.
Can we just say, Parker, me and Parker called that.
Yeah, and it halted. Okay, I'm out.
That's the Parker indicator. That's a Parker Val indicator.
Yeah. We called it, and I didn't get in. I was too busy talking about it and thinking about it.
You know, it literally it gapped over my. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, it halted down. That's easily a dollar and a half right there.
Don't forget, Eddie, I know you're not in eval at the moment, but if you were, that simply must be an 8% move. So I'd have been cautious on that anyway. No, not for me, because I'm in the little account that doesn't have that 8% rule. But
Oh yeah. I
yeah,
always forget
Yeah,
about the 8% rule because it doesn't apply in pre-market. And
yeah, so you gotta when you set yourself a reminder. I have a reminder when the bell rings, and have it flash up also. Don't forget 8% now applies.
yeah. This definitely wouldn't have. This definitely wouldn't have been tradable. That one candle when it dropped, and that's 11%. So I definitely wouldn't have been able to take this trade. But that's my setup. That's my
Yeah,
setup. So
they'd have been saying to you, Parker, we can't approve your withdrawal request. Well, we can
exactly
see
right.
that you this trade that violated the 8% rule.
Yo, and they were like, yeah, that's a $2,000 trade. We can't pay you that. What?
Absolutely.
Man.
It's the benefit of the baby account that I've got, you see. You
Yeah.
I have to think about it. And Pare's got one as well. You've still got a limited edition 20K,
yeah,
your blow up account.
yeah.
Yeah, no 8% rule in that either.
Okay, here
I'm
it goes.
just looking.
look at PMN.
That's on 775 now.
In the green?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, well done.
I really can't blow that up.
What about
Nice job.
I have to take one big trade soon.
Oh wow,
All or nothing.
The
that's
account,
bullish as all
we've
hell.
got to pass that blow up account because it's the famous trade the pool account now. Pare's blow up account that he just can't blow it up.
Yeah, I have 512 trades on that.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah,
be the
that account lasts. Yeah, that's a we call that's a Duralast.
Can I put that on the chat now? The statistic on that. So, and you was talking about being wrong. I have been wrong on this 358 times. So only 150 times right.
I guess there's one more
but
funded.
your average profit
So
in
there's
your
two
Yeah, I was
total
just,
of two
I was just
funded.
gonna say that. Look at that. You got a you got a 1-2 RR on that.
yeah.
There's what are you talking about? This is a blow up account. I thought that number was gonna be worse.
Yeah,
What
well,
is risk reward ratios 1 to 2.6 now? And the best stock is Wolf.
Yeah, oh,
Wolf,
it better be Wolf.
yeah. Pare loves Wolf. Joe loves Circle, and previously MLGO.
Yep.
We've all got our favourites, haven't we? Yeah, I love SBET. SBET's the one for me.
My
Okay,
my best trade was CYN. That was my best trade.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm out of Nike now. Now I'm not gonna trade anymore. My full trade is full.
And Joe, you love BMNR as well, don't you?
Yeah, I was just
You're just
That
about
was
I
to
just
crazy.
looked. I just pulled that up.
yeah, because you had such a beautiful trade in that. When you have a beautiful trade, it's like, oh,
Well,
I
I'm
love this
framing
stuff.
that one.
Yeah, yeah. You need to get it done, get it printed, get it framed. Make it look like another monitor. Make it, make it that big that it looks like another
Yep.
monitor.
Yeah, I just took off BMNR. I'm getting tired of it now. It's not doing what I wanted to do. So
Do you mean BZAI?
no, BMNR. I took that off this morning.
Oh, off your list, you mean? Yeah, yeah.
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 It's consolidating. It's consolidating in that $48 range. So I was just like, whatever.
So what's happening in the small cap land?
Sab is back on. Let me see.
This is a good candle. I want to see make a new high and close the body higher than the previous one.
Come
I'll
on.
consider getting in. Needs to close.
And it's gonna flush. It retested that 512. Should have got in.
It's looking good so far.
Oh, the Nike is still go. I was thinking the ATR was full on that chat.
Yeah. It's head and shoulders pattern. Maybe not. Let's look at something else. Let's look at PMN real quick. It's got a nice curl to it. my scanner a little bit bigger for you guys.
We got one more. We got one more minute. Come on. If they could stay right there at that 5, then I could take this trade. Then it would be a counting trade. Come on, SAB. There it goes. Come on.
Did it just halt down?
There it goes. Okay. I'm taking SABS. This is after 4 minutes. This would be considered a valid trade. And I'm gonna hold it and see if we get to back to lower day on this.
Yeah, I'm looking for it to pop back up first, which it probably won't, because we've got OPEN running now. Well, maybe it will, but we'll see. PMN from earlier, but that's a bit cheaper. How's your day going, Nico? Can you hear us okay?
Yep.
Oh, good.
Still, yeah. Haven't treated a lot yet.
Good. Discipline.
I had to do
Coin has a
something
buy
in the
setup.
pre-market.
Again, Nico.
I was doing something on the pre-market, so
Yeah.
able to trade much.
Oh, NVTS. IREN.
Be short on open. just took me out. So that was a 450 loss. $4.50. Not bad. My stop limit was tight.
Man, I was thinking about getting into BMNR, and I didn't.
What's it doing, Joe? Let me pull it up and have a look.
Had a nice little pop there, but it was like 5 minutes ago when I pulled it up. I thought, it's been
Yeah.
consolidating here a little bit. I was looking at the, it didn't break its downtrend. But now,
Are you looking for
I
a
don't trust
red day? A red day on this?
no, I'm looking for probably a recovery. I gotta pull up the daily chart again and look at it.
I want to try this again.
What I noticed on this was I'm
Risk
partially
another
watching this
$4.50.
kind of from July 25th.
Yeah, I see what you're
And
seeing there.
kind of just holding here in this pattern. It's kind of similar to SBET as well.
It skipped over
But
my
I don't know.
order.
You never know what day is the day.
Yeah.
But I'm not expecting it to be the high flyer like it was prior to this. I don't
No.
think.
No.
So yeah, so that would have been kind of a scalpy trade, but I missed it. I didn't get in. Around VWAP.
Nah.
Hey, Valerie.
Right, Joe, that's it. I'm telling. Chiquito, Joe said.
Hey, Valerie.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm allowed to go now.
Yes.
I'm getting bored.
If you must, we would love you to stay, but if you must, we allow it.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. I may trade the pre-market tomorrow because I'm on vacation.
Yeah.
I took
That's
this week vacation. So hot in here. So maybe some 1,000 shares on pre-market.
Yeah. 1,000 shares. That's brave.
Yeah, 10,000.
10,000 at least.
Yeah. Well, but I'm done. See you.
Okay, Pari. Thanks for coming. See you tomorrow.
Have a good one, man.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Have a good one, Pari.
Good one.
Okay. All right, I just added into my position on BZAI. Now my risk on the day is going to be at 612. let's see if we can take this bottom out. Take this bottom out of the day. I think we should be good. And then, I'm also going to add right here on this one, if I can get in there.
What are you looking at, Marker?
At Sabs right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nope.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Handsome,
gosh. That's
what's
such a
the-
bummer, dude.
Oh, no. I think I
Dude,
need,
like it just got done.
I think I need to go ahead and cancel my order that's sat up there at
Jeez.
71.
Okay, well,
Stop loss was too tight on
let's
that.
see if we can get into this 380-ish and
All right, chat. I'll be right back.
maybe 390. 390 should be good too. We're coming up on. Let's see how far this is up. Oh yeah, we're definitely coming. Previous low is at 255. What's the range on that? 255 times 2, 510. Oh, now we still have a little ways to go. I should be able to get to 380.
All right, chat. We back.
All right, come on. Take out this lower day.
Howdy.
Hey, Perk. Good morning, or good day to you.
Good day. How are things? Are we got a bit more volume this week? It was
Kind of slow.
oh. Today's my first day where I can kind of start trading
Wow,
reasonably
he
early.
was loud.
I was hoping to
Okay.
get some good news. Like, yeah, everything's flying. So many profits. Everyone's a millionaire.
Well, I mean, the beginning of the week, it's definitely
Yeah, I suppose you're the
slow
bigger
after.
observer.
Well,
Did
no,
you-
what Friday was a hot day. Wouldn't you guys think? I mean, I left early, but
I didn't get into late. I was like 5 o'clock my time. So 12 o'clock market time, I think. Thereabouts. Actually, no, it was later than that. It was 12:30. So it was 12:30 your market time that I got in at last week. I looked around. I'm like, okay, I'm not really feeling it today anyway.
Gotcha.
In my experience, Fridays tends to be a bit slower because, like, the end of the week, some people don't want to overstay their welcome.
Yeah. Yeah, Fridays are hit or miss. Like if it's hot, it's hot, but if it's not, it's not, you know, it depends
Yeah.
on the overall market structure. So, but I think I mean I think Friday was a good day. You had a couple gappers, you know, to choose from.
Okay.
So, did you said that you're late today, so you didn't take any trades this morning then?
No. I literally just got home from work,
Gotcha.
so I hadn't had the opportunity yet.
Gotcha.
Note now, Open and VTS. They seem to be the stocks for right now. Open was up last week as well. Was making moves. Was it SABs? Okay, SABs.
Yeah, I'm trading SABs now as we speak. I have not looked at Open, and says here on Webull it's a $2 billion market cap. Eesh. That's no good for me. No, that's no good for me. So
And VTS was that or SABs?
no, that's Open.
Open. Okay, right.
No.
Yeah, float of 634 million.
Yeah, that's a slow mover for me. Chart looks okay, but that's slow.
Yeah, when I was looking at it on Friday, I just was looking at stocks and I just couldn't find anything that was moving like 10 cents. I'm like, there's nothing to get into because nothing's moving enough for me to like make a trade. I've been like trying to trade Tokuto style, but I don't really get it, so I've been losing money. Look at my valuation account. I'm halfway in my max drawdown.
Yeah.
Before I lose it, so I don't want to go back to trading how I know how to trade. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Right.
But
Yeah,
I
that's
need
something
to
that you would
try.
have to back test, probably like in a paper trade account.
Yeah, that's the thing. I didn't do his style in a paper trading account. I tried to adopt his style in
While in
the
the eval.
evaluation account, but the
Right.
issue is that I don't even know his style fully. I just know bits and pieces of it.
Mhm.
So it's like a bastardized version of what he does, which clearly isn't working.
No,
for me.
that's right here.
Right. Yeah. So you just got to get in tune with it, and that
I
kind of
just
sounds like a paper trade account before going into the eval, and risking
I'm on the
your
pouches
Yeah.
more.
hard-earned money on it.
Does
So,
trading view offer paper trading?
huh?
Does trading view offer paper trading?
That's a good question. Hey, Joe, that's a Joe question.
It
Or
does. That's
Val.
what I'm trading on right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Paper
Yeah.
trading view.
I'm looking at MVTS right now. Possible. It's just sitting. Just about to hit the 52-week high, or it is at the 52-week high, more or less.
I've been on the Zins before the
Maybe
cool
it'll start
kids
going
were.
down a little bit. Maybe.
I was on Zins when they first came out.
Maybe something thinks over. Maybe. We'll see.
Okay. Well, BZAI got a bust a move. Either you're going to go back up and retest 612 and I'm
Total
out,
hipster.
or you're going
Total
to
hipster.
continue to break down
Yeah,
to
shake
like
this up.
480ish, so I can take profit.
I don't even
But
see BZAI on the Tokuto
no,
screener.
it's not, because it was a previous move Friday. It's a Friday previous move. So kind of trading the leftovers here. but I'm in a deep resistance area, so I understand there's going to be a wait. Just chop all throughout this area.
Pull back
this
to
high paying area
918.
across the
If
board.
it goes to 9, I'll consider
Yeah, it
getting
looks
in.
like
Here,
NVTS
try.
is topping out right now, to me at least. But it's the volume on the short side isn't really up there. So
Actually,
it
Yeah,
might
let me-
still squeeze up further.
let me box this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is no. Not the Fibonacci. I don't want that. See, just this area.
Fibonacci.
Yeah, it's Italian.
Beep-a-da-ba-dee-da-ba-dee-boop-a-da.
Now, just this area right here. That's what I'm talking
just try MVTS. The $12 stop loss. Let's see if we can take it to 950 for a $27 profit.
Oh. What's the news on NVTS?
Yeah, I just put
First
that in the chart.
securities
That's where
conference.
all this consolidation is happening, all in that area. So the waiting game is patience.
BZAI, okay.
Probably gonna
Mhm.
get stopped out.
And I'm assuming you're short on this, right?
Yes.
So are you looking for it to bounce back up to 580 and then come down, or?
No, I'm in it now. No, I'm in
Okay.
it. No, my thesis
Wait, did
was
you enter? Where did you enter? I don't see the little arrow.
well, because I'm paper trading. That's why. So
Okay.
you're not gonna see it. But I entered right at the very open. As soon as it opened, bang! I was in there at 544. And
Five.
my risk is at my risk was at 640,
Is that at
650.
around 10 o'clock?
Market open.
Okay.
As soon as the market opened, I put my entry in.
Hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, so
But
it's
if
back
it's
down now.
540, then it wouldn't have been filled until 10 o'clock, no?
You said what?
If you entered at market open. Oh wait, you would have entered there at like. Wait a minute, no, hang on. Because it's 8 o'clock, or is it? No, it's 9:30. Market opens in the US, right?
Yeah, I'm in
9:30.
Central, so yeah, but you're right, 9:30 Eastern time. Eastern time, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so literally at market open, that's I went ahead and
What's your target for closing the trade? Like what are you trying to get to?
I want to get close to this 460. But I'll take 480 too.
Think it's gonna go higher than 950.
It
I
looks
just
like it
wanted to
already
break.
at level as well.
I want to break this
Move it up to
pre-market consolidation right here where it kind of
970.
popped.
Mhm.
But that's the next area for a consolidation, and I mean that's a big chunk of it, anyways. So I'll take 480,
My
470,
stop loss to break even.
and it just broke lower day on intraday, so I'm okay to wait until it gets there.
UPX. Oh, hang on a second. Float is 29
And
million.
and SAB is doing exactly what I wanted to do. So
SAB's float is 7.49 million, and it's 413. Maybe it's worth looking at SABs instead. I missed the big moves that I would have wanted to take.
Yeah, I'm about to exit on this one. Once it hits this 380, I'm about to be done. I should hold it until it breaks this lower day here where it opened. But it's getting kind of close to all this consolidation here
Yeah, with
in
subs, I
pre-market.
don't
So
know. Like, unless subs goes all the way down to 345, but that's going to take a long ass time. Like right now, I want to kind of keep my trade short, concentrate on short moves, like short moves or short long moves, whatever. Just I don't want to stay in for too long.
right.
Trying to find that kind of situation where I'm like, oh, this could go 10 cents in the next 10, 15 minutes, maybe. But it looks like everything's like nothing's moving enough for me right now.
Yeah, I wish
Push, push,
TTP
push,
had a
push.
setup like this where it'll show you your open P&L percentage and then your P&L. That's nice. I like this on Webull.
And
You
you're
can have
paper trading on
small
Webull, right?
percentage in your open positions.
Hello, Valerie.
Yeah, but that's the thing though. Like I tried it and it's like it's not matched like side by side, and I don't like that. So I'm like whatever.
What do you
And I
mean?
got stopped out
The
at break
open like
even.
the open P&L percentage and then your open P&L. It's not matched side by side. I think you can still look at it, but it's not there.
Oh, you can rearrange where those columns are if that's what you mean.
Playing
I don't want
blackjack.
to rearrange it.
You
I want it to be
No.
there just like Weeble.
It's
Oh,
only
I
gambling
want it to
if
be
you don't have a
smooth, and I want it to
strategy.
just be there, like it's there, and I don't have to do nothing. So
well, I
Even
agree.
magically.
It should be just as we wish without having to do anything. A bit like that trade I wanted earlier, which didn't do as I
yeah.
wanted. Yeah, absolutely.
So
Totally agree with you.
How's it going, Valerie? Been a while.
No, it's going slow and annoyingly.
Yeah.
A bit
get
like
that.
you were saying before, I want to trade like, taquito style, but it's not helpful that I don't know what I'm doing. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm just hoping for some short-term gains to make up for my losses.
Are you still in your eval or are you paper trading today? Sorry
yeah.
if you said I stepped away.
Evaluation.
Yeah. How is it doing overall?
I'm halfway to my max loss. So not great. Like not
Well,
max
I know
daily loss, max overall loss.
Yeah, I know it may not feel like it, but it is recoverable.
Oh yeah,
So
it is. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Try
You
not
just
to
have to
give
be
up
very
on it.
picky.
I mean, I've had evaluation accounts in the past where once I've got to over 50%, I'm like, oh, just forget it, and then I just take stupid trades because I'm not bothered because I don't, I don't believe I can get it back or can't be bothered trying.
Like
But
right
yeah,
now, I'm looking at my stats and it's a bit depressing, right? So it's saying best, that section on the right-hand side where it says best trade profit limit, and it's like you have to be 50% profitable. I'm currently sitting at minus 10%. So that's hurting me a lot right now. Just looking at it, so trying not to.
yeah, you gotta stop looking at it and focus on the trades.
yeah. It's
Right?
difficult to do that though, isn't it, to ignore those stats?
I know, like it's
Yeah.
annoying, but like it is what it is. It's just
It'll definitely ruin your psychology in trading. Definitely will.
Yep, I agree. But that's like why I'm kind of going back on my style. It's not that I don't think that Tokuto's way works. I just don't know it well enough to employ it. So if I can make just some short-term profits to recover a bit from my losses using my old style, then great.
What size account are you going for the evaluation?
It's a Flex 100.
Whoa, Jess. Good morning.
Hello, Jess.
Good morning.
Just popped in, huh?
Good morning.
Yeah, I
I
was
think
here for
I think she's
5
already
minutes or
there.
so.
Good
You said
morning.
what?
I've been here for about, what, 5 minutes or so?
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I'm trying to pass the max account.
Which account did you go for, Jess?
The max 25,000 account.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm really skeptical because I have like 32 green trades in a row. But I'm taking like super small sizes. Like my average gain is like $15.
Well, that's still excellent. Because obviously maybe the money's not like you're not a millionaire or whatever, but like it's consistently profitable, consistently green. I'd like some of that right now.
Yeah, I'm only at like $500, so I have to get 1,500. So I'm only a third of the way in profit, but my goal is to build 3 days worth of the daily max loss in the account before I start taking larger sizes because I don't want to like have a bad day and then not have a cushion and then I'm just out. So I start off the day like really small sizes. I build, and then if I get close to like even $50 on the day, I'm like, all right, I'm good because I want to lock that in for the next day and then just kind of let them build like that. And just, it doesn't, I have 60 days, so it doesn't expire till September 3rd. So I feel like I'm on a decent pace to pass it. So yeah.
Yeah, that's the process. Sounds good.
Yeah, I think that's a really good plan as well. Like that's how I did pass an eval last year, which well, another story, but that's exactly what I did. I waited until I'd got a really good cushion before I started sizing up.
Thanks for the confirmation on that.
Yeah, it was an 80K I had, and the target on it at that time was 4,200. So I waited till I was halfway to target. The allowed loss was 700 per day. So I was waiting till I got to that 2,100. And people kept saying to me, "Oh, you need to size up. You need to size up." But for me, I thought, no, I don't. I need to get a good percentage of the way there before I'm comfortable to do that.
Yeah, trust the process.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the thing about sizing up is, yeah, you can make more money, but you can also lose more money, and that's with the live account or a evaluation. And so I respect the market, and I know I don't know
Alright,
everything.
I'm
I know
short
I don't always
on
predict correctly.
MVTS.
So I want to give
Got my
myself enough
stop loss,
grace to
risking
like
$9.
maneuver around in the position, not freak out.
Probably
Like
get stopped out.
I have 32 green trades, but my
'cause
timing
it's a
wasn't
tight
always
stop
right
loss.
on some of them. And so taking a smaller size allowed me to like, okay, it's going against me. What do I
Oh,
do?
whatever,
Do I
Joey.
average down? Do I wait to see if it's gonna, what is it gonna do? So I can think way more clearly with a smaller size and not being so close to my daily max loss than if I was just like completely out. Because like GCTK, for example, I saw that it popped out
Yeah,
after
hit my stop
hours
loss.
on Friday. It popped up after a dip. And so I was like, the bull's been kind of slow. So I was like, I'll just short it like right at open. And it like gapped up like massive. But I took such a small size that when I was able to add back on a short on another pop, I came out of that position green. But I would have just on that one trade had my max loss had I had a larger size. So I'm so glad I did not.
Hey, Tokuto.
Hey, what's
Hey,
up?
good morning, Taquito.
Good morning,
Yeah,
Chiquito.
y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, I was listening to. Oh, Jess is. Oh, she just stopped talking. Okay, I thought everything cut out. I was like, oh, dang. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah. I thought everything cut out. She just stopped short on her convo. I'm over here looking at this chart here. Six.
How did your morning turn out, Chiquito?
The same. Didn't take anything more. I wanted to short GCTK but didn't get filled twice. That's it, I think.
Or
And
looking
then
at
I
open,
went.
I think it's going to start going down. Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry.
Which? Who?
No,
Open?
sorry. I just interrupted you for no reason.
That's
Sorry.
okay.
Talking to myself, but then I was like, oh wait, I'm in a voice chat.
What makes you think open will start going down?
I think it's just losing momentum, going upwards. And just as I say that, it's fucking shooting up to the sky again. Son of a bitch! I always do the opposite of what I think I should do. Yeah, it's just gonna go to the moon, I guess.
Where's open on this? Previous closes at 481. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna try this trade again.
yeah. And I will take that right as soon as it goes red.
Maybe. Maybe not. What's up, Jeffrey? How you doing?
I don't see anything interesting today.
Yeah, everything is probably it's literally just made its move, and now things are just going slow. AIRE is my top, and um that's in penny world, 79%.
I've traded quite a bit. Let's see.
Definitely not trading that.
HSDT did pretty good on HSDT.
Yeah. So
small
Did you
trade on
close
GCTK.
BZAI?
what? No. No. I'm still in it.
Had a loss on BZAI.
I just went to look to see where the previous close was at, which is at 41. So that's exactly where I wanted.
But recovered fully from that.
I'm taking profits at is right at red.
Had a good trade on DYNX. It was $190 trade. And a $232 trade on DYNX.
I should hold this. This should definitely be.
So, all in all, it's been a good day. I'm up $530. So can't complain on the paper trading.
Daily 200 Taquito, but it didn't come for me.
How about you? What are you trading?
Which one?
Very naughty. BZAI.
Isn't that from Friday?
Yeah, that's from Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the learning process.
For unfinished
sure.
business, 6 604. Did it come back there? Yeah. Yeah.
AMD and Apple. Nice, nice.
So Val, it's kind of a repeating thing that you
You
are
primarily
waiting for it to
large
come back
caps?
to the 200 after it's already rejected the 200. Pretty much.
It was just because it was moving again today, and I thought, oh, maybe it's going to go there because it went to 612, I think.
Yeah, and if you look, there is unfinished business at 604 or 605.
Yeah.
You should look for the reasons why is it going back, because usually there is one.
Well, at least it wasn't a loss. It was just an unfilled trade.
Yeah.
I thought if it blasts through and touches that daily 200, I'll be all happy.
But I don't know in this case. If it rejected
Waiting
the
for
daily 200
NVTS
yesterday,
to fail. I want
and
it
it
to
comes
fail
back to
and
it a day later, I
I
would
want to short it.
say it's more likely that it will break through and continue.
Yeah, I did wonder about that with it already having been there on Friday.
The chances that work in your favor is when it doesn't reach there.
Yeah.
And then goes to it. But in
Nice,
most
nice.
cases, you miss trades.
Are
it
you
goes there and rejects.
primarily long or short bias?
So yeah, some unfinished business.
Well, I just took my first losing trade, and it wasn't even on purpose.
Congratulations!
Thank
Congratulations!
you.
You've got it
I
out.
was
I don't
waiting
know.
on that.
I don't even know what to say to that.
Finally, it's out of the way. Now you can continue winning.
Well, so first of all, I was taking like
True.
20 shares,
Very true.
and it filled me 1,920
Does
shares.
do what it wants to do.
And so I got out at break even, but I guess the cost of the fee was $19.20. So I basically lost the cost of the fee because it filled me
I'm
way
gonna
too
try
many
and short
shares.
this again. So
But
we're
I didn't
in
want to take
at
the risk, but it actually
896.
ended up going my
Set my
direction.
stop loss.
But I was
at,
not willing to take that risk.
18.
Okay.
$18 potential loss.
Well, hey, we're over that hump now. You took your first loss, so now,
see
just
if
like Taquito said,
see
now
if
back
it
to
drops
winning.
more.
Better be.
Yeah.
So first candle
And it
to
looks
make a
like
new
Sav
low.
is going against me now. So we done created this this low here, right here, this demand.
Hey, and thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate that.
That's this demand zone. Look over to the left. These are a couple tops there. Jeez. Just die.
I took a long on open at 364. If it gets to 380, I'm closing that position. It'll probably go higher, but I'm just going to concentrate on small wins.
This is
Coupon winner losses and
NVTS,
happy.
November Victor Tom Sierra.
Yeah, I wish I'd looked at that one earlier.
Yeah, it's like there's a weekly 165 at 468. I don't think it's gonna reach that, but the way it's going, I think it's gonna break $4. Now that I said that, obviously it won't. So I should have kept my mouth shut. That's what I get for
No.
opening my mouth. You know,
Don't.
whatever.
I know how
Or
you
my
feel
wrist,
when you
$9.
announce your trades. Yeah.
Like literally every time. It's
Yeah.
gonna go up. It's going down.
Yeah. Well, Eddie and Parker know the key is to leave your computer and come back, and something will have happened either way.
I don't trust that.
Yeah, that's definitely the case
Yeah.
Absolutely.
most of the time. I sit there, I'm like, all right, cool. As soon as I leave, I want to. Oh, is that what you want to do after I leave?
Yeah. And then we're all sat here going, Parker's trade's working
With
out.
me, it's when I take that loss, like or when I try to like break even, and because I'm thinking, oh yeah, okay, it's gonna turn around now and go, but actually that's when it just decides to just keep going
I
parabolic.
bet you I get
Like,
stopped out
okay,
again.
okay, I see what this is. You do your
Yeah.
thing.
So we're in with 150 shares.
Literally took it to trade. It went up just a second, and then now it's going down below where I bought it. Like, really?
What are you talking about?
Open.
Oh, open?
Yeah, I'm hoping it'll still squeeze up. I think it's trying to.
I hope you're right.
We'll see what happens. But I've got my
I
finger
hope
ready
you're
to
right.
close that position if it starts doing naughty things.
I want it to flush. Let's see.
On the 3-minute chart, it's one of the bigger
Let's
red
get
candles in the last little
basket
while, so
here.
I'm not trusting that too much.
Has that ever happened to anybody else? Like they put in a certain number for number of shares and they get like filled way more shares?
Yeah, it's happened to me a couple of times where I accidentally double-clicked the button, so I actually entered the same position twice. Like if I go for like 200 shares, it puts me on 400 shares instead.
Yeah, so the only thing with that is that I was literally buying like 20 shares. So I don't know how 20 shares turns into like 1920.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, and like
Yeah.
historically, my average share
Not
size
seeing
is
where
167, and mind you, that's including me like maneuvering in and out of the position. But I start like super small into a position and just scale in.
dilution.
So
Offering ability
that,
high.
I don't know how that happened.
Medium offering
Yeah, I don't know how
frequency.
that happened. Normally, like if
They have
you
a
like
medium
do a zero,
cash
you can-
need.
it's easy just to kind of like tap an additional zero, but I've never had it to where it's like 20 shares turn into like 19, like changing the whole number.
Just let it
Yeah.
fade.
Yeah, I'm leaving out of open. I don't like that.
No, I've never had that happen to me. I take 200 shares and now I'm looking at 2,000. Now that I've done, I'm like, ooh, jeez.
Right, because like even if you like say, okay, well,
No, small
1920
caps.
is such a weird number. Like I would never type that in.
My criteria
Right, who
is
would?
between $2 and $20.
So that
Typically.
was just weird to me. So I did contact
Low
support
float.
to see what they can do about that, or if
And,
they could even track. I don't even know if
up
they
at
can,
least
like, what I
5%
typed
on the
in, But I
day.
know for a fact I did not put that in there.
Yeah. Now, do you have your settings to where
I typically don't mess with
when you
anything
open,
under
it's
$1.
automatically at 20 shares? Like
No,
that's
so actually, so I have so many things going on. So I'm actually doing order entry like on my phone, on my
Oh.
iOS.
Okay.
And then I have like my hub open on my laptop, and then like my chart stuff. So like, I found that easier because for whatever reason on my whatchamacallit, it on my Windows computer where the Trade the Pool desktop app is, it continuously like freezes or like logs me out and stuff. And so I don't want to be in a position and then like not be able to get out. So I actually don't even use that as much, honestly. I found my phone logs me out, but I can log in quickly because of Face ID.
Gotcha.
So that has worked for me.
So you're
We
trading on
got
your phone
in
right
at
now, yeah?
896 and it's
Yeah,
at
I'm doing the order execution on my
889
phone.
right now.
When you get on your computer, you can
It's
go into the event
moving
log in the
slow.
bottom right corner by the little padlock icon. There's like a little sheet. It's called event log, and that
On
might
my
give you
phone?
some detail. I don't know if it's on your phone or not. I know it's on your computer definitely.
On my
But
computer.
it'll pull up your trade, and you can. There's a little eye icon for information. That might give you some context as to what happened. I don't know if it will, but right.
Let me see.
You know what I just thought about?
So
Something funny.
I'm new to trading.
Oh,
I've only
is
been
that
trading
iPhone that you're
since
using for your
February.
face recognition, right? iPhone?
And I've
What if you had-
studied Ross Cameron's
what if your
videos
face
on
recognition,
YouTube.
like, allowed you like to
He doesn't
close your
really cover
positions
shorting, and
open?
I'm just kind of experimenting
Wait,
with
say that again?
shorting. But
What
the
if like the face
strategy is
recognition allowed it,
looking
like, to
for a
close your
pullback
positions or your trading
and then
positions and open
the
them?
next candle to make a
Like
new
How helpful.
high, then
Yeah, every
enter.
time you
I
look
did
at
it.
your phone, it'll open a position.
Trading above VWAP,
Every time you
Like
max
look
D
at it,
open.
smile for a long position.
But I
Frown
don't
for a short
have
position.
VWAP
Yeah,
or
then it's
max
like, what's
D on
trigger?
the chart right
Right.
now because I'm
Dude,
using
that'd be like
two
absurd.
indicators from one of the
Yeah.
guys that we
I'm
trade
sure
with,
some techie person have customized
trying to wrap my head around his strategy.
their
But
phone that way.
primarily I'm long
I'm very
bias
surprised, to be quite honest.
and
Yeah,
following Ross
I would
Cameron's
wonder how many
strategy.
losses you would take on that, or how many times you would exit a trade early.
Yeah, because all the emotions you go through when you're in a
What about
position.
you? What's your strategy?
Yeah, that'd be crazy. Yeah, I just thought about that when you said face recognition. I was like, dude,
I think my edge is that I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah, really, that is so weird to me. I need to know how that happened, and I'm glad it happened.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out.
Why does open do this to me? I closed it, and now it's looking to go up again. God damn it.
491, 491. I was gonna say there's nothing there, so I have a block here for 8,000 at 490, but it looks like it's being eaten right now.
It's up to 898, and my stop out is at 903.
5 is not holding, so.
SMC trading. I'm gonna have to look into that SMC trading.
I'm just looking for Sabs to kind of give me a flush down, and then I'll be out.
Smart money concepts.
We're still trying to get to that like the 360 level, right?
Yeah, at least to this 380 area. I don't plan on.
And you entered at 440, so you're already in profit in that case. Yeah, time's on your
Oh
hands.
no, that's Sabs. No, I'm in at 5.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, Sabs. I'm in at 5. So,
yeah, now you have plenty of time.
I'm just kind of consolidating in this area, I think. I'm surprised it didn't take me out. That little
and I'm
green candle.
in this consolidation, so I'm just looking for one more flush flush down, and then I'm good.
Yeah, I'm working on learning how to
Couldn't find
trade,
it
and
here.
then
I could have picked it up, but here had I stayed in.
doing a prop firm with Trade the Pool. They're a stock trading
Some you lose some.
prop firm, and so I'm gonna try and pass the eval and get funded on a $25,000 account. Yeah, that's the Discord that I'm in right now, is Trade the Pool's Discord, with a bunch of the other traders.
Parker, is that substrate a swing trade you're looking for, or is it a day
Oh
trade?
no, just day trading it.
So I'm hoping to get funded. That'd be cool.
Open still got the lead.
Yep,
Yeah.
the 25K
As long as
flex
Open
is what I'm
there,
going for.
subs will probably continue to go down.
And I got stopped out. Only lost $9 though, so no complaints. Have you
Well, good
you
luck,
done
everybody.
anything with Trade
I
the
gotta
Pool?
step away for just a little bit. Maybe catch you in the afternoon or tomorrow morning.
Okay, sounds
Good luck
good.
with everything.
Okay,
Well,
Joe.
we'll see you later.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Have a good one,
to
Joe.
see you.
Yeah. Yeah, have a good one, guys.
Have a good one.
Take care.
Let's take a look at Open. Let's see what Open's doing. It's still just grinding up. Oh, nice, nice. How did you enjoy Trade the Pool? I know you said they're awesome. Did you get funded? And what's the retail risk system?
How's everybody doing on their trades? Regardless, I know Taquito's not trading. Val, have you taken any more trades, or are you just watching?
No, I'm just watching for now.
No.
Odd day.
Perk, well, how you doing?
I'm still looking at open. Open's curling over now. I'm thinking it might go down to 365 and then bounce up again and continue to go. Or if it doesn't, it'll just go crash to like maybe, I don't know, fucking $3 or some shit. Just watching it. I could close that trade early. If I had stayed open, I would have made huge profit. But well, comparatively, percentage-wise.
Oh,
But I
jeez.
didn't.
Are you shorting this?
Yeah,
no, I'm not in a position.
They're
right
the
now. I
only
was
prop
long.
firm that I found
Okay.
that does
It's
stocks.
kinda
Everything
changed
else I
again
found
rapidly
was
today, and I kept
futures
nervous.
and
Had I stayed, it would have been
Forex.
great, but I didn't. It hit 395. It didn't get to that $4 threshold. Went down to
which I might look into
373,
futures
and now
sometime
it's,
in the
on a
future.
strong uptrend right now again.
Why is
But
it running? What's the news on this?
Honestly, I think it's just volume at this point.
It's a
Town
meme
Resource,
stock. It's
I
just
mean,
a meme
Town
stock.
Resource Group appoints Michael Campbell as underwriting counsel for Michigan. It's not really any particular great news. It's just a new underwriting counsel, whatever that is.
It's under real estate. Let me do some research right quick.
What just said?
It's just a heavily shorted stock that somebody posted on X like a week ago,
It's a
and
meme
retail
stock.
went crazy.
Oh, it's a meme stock. Okay.
Yes.
Is it? I tried to trade GameStop last year during the Great
Now that's
GameStop War, if you want to call it that.
that's weird though.
And it did
It's
that
in
one.
the
Not go well for
real
me.
estate service though. So why would that be a? It's whatever. But yeah, no news on it today. The last news was a month ago. They're seeking
let's take a look
um,
at devs.
an approval for a reverse stock split. But
That was it's the 10th of July. Last news.
NVTS is
Was
the
it?
what we were looking at.
I don't know. I had 26.
The ticker that they're talking about is OPEN.
But looking at the chart structure though, it is
this
it is
chart
up,
right
though.
here. It's grinding up.
Previous 5-day lows.
But NVTS
right here,
is the one that I was trying to take a short on.
75 cents. 72.
November Victor Tango Sierra.
3, 4, 5. About $1. But this low right here is 70 cents. So yeah, it's up.
It's competing with AIRE, AIRE, for the top spot in terms of activity. So it's doing quite well for itself.
Where are we at? And we're in July, so 52-week high would have been at like 310.
52 high right now. I have it down as 395 currently. Like if it's been going up with today's move.
No, previous 52-week high from July
It was
is at
at
310.
266 for
Gotcha.
ages. Again, this is according to Tokudo's tool. 308,
Gotcha.
then down to 266, and now up and up at 395 currently.
Right. So, yeah.
That's over the course of the day. It went up to 395.
Okay.
Yeah,
Definitely
I was hoping that it was gonna
doing good
fail.
on this, so.
If it gets
and
over the
flush for
$4
me.
mark, I might take a long trade on it again. But seems to be rejecting off the $4 mark, like $4.95 realistically. Sorry, $3.95. Excuse me. $3.95. Now I'm not sure what it's gonna do. It's already hurt me once. I don't want to do it again, unless I'm sure.
You're watching the minute chart, I'm gonna assume.
1 minute chart and 3 minute chart.
Okay.
But yeah, it looks like it's looking to, on the 1 minute chart, it looks
Yeah,
like it's going down.
1 hour. Oh yeah,
On the
I
3
see
minute
what you're
chart,
saying.
it can still go up again. So, just watching.
I don't know if
Gotcha.
I can get the 4 hour on the free plan. Oh, I can. Yeah. Absolutely. Lessons learned. Absolutely. Well, and I didn't have a lot of confidence in it to begin with. That's why my stops were so small. Didn't give it a lot of range on purpose. But I guess I should look at the higher time frames as well. That's probably my biggest lesson. Aside from don't short something that's bullish.
Like it's in a bit of a short move right now, that open thing, but it is not just not enough volume
take
to
a
really
look
make a
at
difference.
open.
It's still kind of hanging in there. So still plenty of chance for it to jump up over the 395 barrier. I think. Tokut, are you still there?
Yep.
How's the weather over there in Lithuania? Is it still raining?
Not right now, but
Okay.
it's been quite rainy and stormy.
Let's look at
We've had
AIRE.
straight sun for the last 2 weeks, but now we're paying the price for it. Just thought maybe we switch places.
Yeah, right now it's quite hot and sunny, but the morning started cold.
How hot is that right now?
Oh, that's
Let's
penny
see.
stock.
Just know that it's hot. 24.
PMN.
Nice.
PMN.
Yeah, even the rainy days were pretty hot. Like complete storm outside, but 26 degrees.
Just confused weather.
Yeah, we need to ask the weather if it identifies as summer or winter.
Rakunas, what are you doing?
About UAVS, what's it doing? Oh, wow. That's a gnarly flush. Is that going to halt down? No. False halt. So I had a 5K account. That was my first account, and I blew it up real quick.
Exactly.
And then I got a 25K
Quiet.
flex, and I ended up blowing that one up, but I had it for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, almost a month. and I will start a new eval probably Wednesday. So
Oh, squeeze and open. It wants to break.
Monthly
What
and
a-
weekly liquidity gap 406, 411.
on the 25K flex,
Monthly and weekly, you say?
I want to say it's 15 or 1,000.
Yeah, I
Six-
see it.
Let's see, 25,000 flex. Max loss is 4%.
That might be enough spot for a scalp short.
Well, no, because it needs to be 10 cents.
Be 10 cents, but that's where it will go from. Just like the previous rejection, 340, 338.
There's another gap between. Oh, I don't know if I'm reading this correctly. 435 and 447.
You're not taking the range of the gap. That's the place where it will reject.
So
Yeah,
let's
so
see.
I'm thinking if you go long at like 412, if it makes it over that and just go.
Long,
like-
I'm talking. You are looking for a short. That's where.
So I hit,
that's
yeah,
where
I'm
1,000
looking
was
for
the
anything
max
really.
loss, and your $500
There's
is your daily
possibilities.
pause.
Right now, I'm not taking anything because I don't want to take any more like.
So
risks right
before
now
I
until
blew the
have
account,
an
I
idea of where
had
it's going.
1,766 12 in profit,
Yeah.
but 2784 in loss.
But if it does go up there, it's a likely place to get a rejection.
Yeah.
Just like before, that 338 is a weekly liquidity gap. It got a nice rejection and then continued.
Yeah, I saw that 338. I was gonna say like if it rejects off of $4 hard, I might just like short it down to 338. That's what I was thinking. But still wanted to push up. It's at 390 already. 390.
It's a good question.
So this might be the break to $4.
KZIA, $394.50 loss.
MACD's looking good.
Uh, 150 shares, 1498, and it dropped on me to 1236.
Right now I'm
Just
playing with my
flushed.
that account, just looking to see what happens. There we go, 399. Hit $4 for a second there.
So that put me. That was the biggest loss, and that put me
Yep, there we go, $4, 405.
close to my max loss, and then PROK. I opened and sized in,
406.
and then it dropped on me. But that PROK trade, that was like I already knew my account was blown. So I'll say it was the KZIA trade that really did me in. FDR risk approach. I'm gonna have to look into that too, along with the SMC.
It goes up over like 412, 415, comes back down, bounces off that support. I might go in for a long.
Oh, flat dollar at risk.
It's at 410 right now. 412.
Thought it was false discovery.
13,
Rate.
14.
Flat dollar at risk approach in trading.
Yep, it's on its way to 468.
Oh. Let's see. So what would that be? 25,000 times 0.02. So 500. Divide that by 2, so 250. So 2 trades per day, risking $250 each. I might limit myself to like $100 risk per trade and do 3 trades and try that out.
MJI. EFOI.
Just taking notes. I like that mathematically impossible to blow the account.
There it goes. There it goes.
What is
Finally.
that? SABS.
Sab. Yeah, Sabs.
Oh yeah, I see it. 390.
Dynamic
Let's go.
risk.
Yep.
Oh dear fucking god, you piece of shit. Oh, I'm blaming Sabs for this. Fuck you, Sabs.
There it goes. There it goes.
I had a position opened up on. I went back into open.
I'm so really confused, Perk.
I know. I was rooting for Sabs there for a second. Then I looked back at my position that I opened on open, and I'm like, oh, you bitch. It just gave back like 20 cents a profit. Oh, my heart. Why do you play with me like this? Why?
That's freaking genius.
All right. And
I never would have thought about that.
let's see. Are we going?
20% of that buffer.
Let's go ahead and close that. Yeah.
So after 2 losing trades, cut the risk by 50%. Max lost 2,000, current lost 1,230. Buffer 770 risk, 20% 770, 154.
Is open rejecting hard.
Go.
I think
Is that good? Oh God. Oh. Are we celebrating or not?
No, we're definitely not celebrating. I think it's
Oh,
rejecting
okay.
hard off of. I think it's maxed out. I don't see it going back up again.
Which stock are we talking about now?
Open. It's got me going nervous. I don't want to take a second loss today. I was hoping for a win. Typical Monday, eh?
Chiquito?
Yeah.
About open.
Come on, people, buy the dip. Buy the dip.
Weekly liquidity gap at the top there. Back to a monthly and weekly liquidity gap. It completely ignored.
Let's see what they're
We'll see
talking
if it
about. Devs?
holding
Buy the
or
dip, people.
dumping.
Valerie, get on your demo account. Buy the dip. feed the algorithm.
What ticker are you guys talking about?
Open.
Open?
Yeah.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, whoa. There it goes.
I got filled at
Fixed
419.
2% until the first win.
And I got up to 440, and I was feeling great. I thought I was going to go up to 450.
And then
I
after
was
the
like,
first
"Go
win,
to
do you
450," and
increase?
when you're really happy.
20% of profit, only while in profit.
Massive dump.
I got the 52-week high there at 440 as well.
No, that's the one it created. Now
Yeah,
every
that's the
high
one
is the. It's not the previous one, but it has a weekly liquidity gap there.
All right.
Oh
That's
yeah, he
beautiful.
tries to sell at $4.50. So sometimes I
Okay.
just get out decent
Oh.
port up though.
Sorry, Jess, I was talking over you then.
2% a golden.
You traded Sab too?
Sorry about that.
Sounds like.
Did you just trade Sab too?
No,
I
I
was saying that everybody tries to get out.
I'm gonna have to
at
save this entire chat.
because that's just easy numbers for people to know, like 450.
I appreciate the
$5.
knowledge dump,
So
man.
when I want to get out, I always do a few cents.
Super
below that
helpful.
in case it doesn't get there.
Yeah, I always do it. My target was 450 because I felt like I wanted to go to the weekly 165, which is at 468. Excuse me. So I thought 450. That's safe. It'll get there. It's not looking like that right now.
Yeah. That's a beautiful trade. That's a lot. That's a big piece of that move. So I'm good. Yeah, I'm fully out of Sabs. So Sabs can go without me now.
Good job.
Open can go without me as well. I left that position. That was not good. And now it's going up again, or trying to, possibly.
And I just got here BZAI. That's the only one I got left, and then that's it.
in it.
Huh?
You still right? Good.
Yeah, no, I'm still in it. No. I'm definitely still in it. It's I want this thing to go red on the day.
Oh yeah, free sauce.
Eric, look at the weekly chart and you'll understand why.
I'm gonna have a look at this.
Yeah, I see the gap at 440.
Yeah.
The question is, where will it go to now?
Tough one. Is anything else moving?
Open still at the top of the charts for activity.
For the day. $120 for the day.
PMN can still squeeze and screw all the shorts up.
Okay.
If there is something else starting to squeeze up, then open can go down probably back to 350 or even lower. 340. But I don't see anything else.
Yeah, looks good. It's trying to consolidate at 4.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I don't
So
know.
I
if
had
that's a support level.
ChatGPT
Clearly not, it
create a
just went below it.
spreadsheet for me.
Yeah, 4 by itself, I will keep asking what's there.
Yeah.
Just because it's a number.
Risk per
I
trade.
don't know. To me, that doesn't work.
Entry price. Stop price.
It is indeed a number.
And it
Position
is
size,
now below
P&L.
the weekly and the monthly liquidity gaps.
Running daily.
Let's see, there's a 3-minute liquidity
Dynamic
gap.
scaling notes.
Going to end the demand zone. But overall, I'm short. Where did I get in? 413.
zoom in.
Trying to survive.
I don't see any formulas.
I'm short for now. I will get out break even if I need to.
What, an open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or something else? Oh, okay.
I'm going to have it build in the formulas. Risk reward should be 1 or higher.
Anything else, then it has a good chance to keep playing around and pushing. So it's not what I would consider the very high probability trade.
Devs and Air are trying to compete, but they're both penny stocks. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I don't
There's
count
too
them.
much in the
Here we go.
competition.
I don't count them. PMN is the probably only other one that can. Oh, ATNF is back.
I haven't seen BMNR, or is it
Ooh.
BMN or BMNR?
PMNR. ATNF
Yeah,
is back.
I haven't seen BMNR on the scanner in a while.
It was last week on Thursday, Friday, I think.
So my risk per trade was
Yeah, ATNF is
250.
back, so that's good.
Entry price. We'll just say $10. Stop price. Why does that not auto calculate? Okay. Detail, detail.
It looks like it's consolidating at $4, give or take. Yeah, if nothing, like I said, if nothing shows up, then I think it might be better to go long on it.
It doesn't seem right.
And open again.
ATNF
500
is trying
shares.
to show up, so it has unfinished business at, let's see,
ATNF.
328 and 345. So it has reasons to go up.
Well,
If PMN
ChatGPT. Oh, that's right. 250 was the max. I'll do 100 per trade.
Well, all right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get all.
How did your BZAI trade work out?
Oh, I'm still in it. It's I brought my risk down. We're getting close to like the midday, so I brought my risk down to that consolidation area at 575. So if we come back and reclaim that, then I'll take a loss on it. But if not, red green is that's where I'm exiting at, is at 480. So
Nice.
we're close to it. So we'll see what happens.
Nice, nice.
Still green on it. My average is at 550. So
Very nice.
and yeah, so that's that. So I will definitely see you guys tomorrow morning. And what is tomorrow is a pre-poppers, pre-market poppers. So
Yeah, should be. Let me just check if it's on there.
yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll definitely be here tomorrow, same time, and we'll do it all over again.
Cool. Have a good day, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
you too. You guys have a good day. Good trading.
Good to see
Stay
you.
safe.
Thanks.
Likewise.
See ya.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
So it'll be 200 shares.
Open working out nicely.
Is my dis free? What do you mean dis? Like Discord?
Yep. I don't see it going back up again. Just like I took another long dip for a second, but I closed it just below break even because yeah, it just wasn't
Yeah.
doing it.
Depends what your definition is going back up to the
I
top.
thought I was gonna consolidate again and try again to go, but no bueno.
There's the link to join my Discord.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna go back up to 40, like consolidate at 4 and try another push to 440.
So again, the question is, what's it for?
Well, I didn't think anything would take over for the longs, so I
But
figured it'll continue to try to squeeze up.
But there is ATNF and AMIX, as we were talking about it.
I was just looking at like the activity side of it. It just didn't look as busy. Excuse me. Sorry about that.
I don't have any trading stuff in there though. Not yet, anyways. I'm gonna have to play around with that spreadsheet later. To be honest with you, I don't even know if my my Discord is working. Oh, you joined it? Sweet. Okay, cool.
Goes more.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, this is a strong drop. This is kind of a large float. Doesn't exactly behave like a...
Yeah, my Discord was set up for gaming.
Tennis stock.
But we never really did anything with it because I'm a casual streamer.
Earlier, it's a meme stock apparently.
I just barely started streaming trading.
Just thinking if to take my profits now and
So I need to redo my Discord. I don't like the way it is.
Get to like 360. Think I'll close it.
No, it got there already.
Yeah, didn't make it in time.
I wanted it 350, but I don't know if it's gonna get there. I should have taken all you guys and closed it.
DNFA.
350.
You're joking me. What the hell are you doing? God damn it.
I'm gonna short it again.
Yep.
I'm just gonna add to my position.
Yep, that's let's see, actually it did close inside. Tricky one. But yeah, this is basically a demand zone that became a supply zone and it should keep going. Top one and the lower one is a demand zone which got a nice reaction. But yeah, definitely I can see it coming back all the way to 340.
As long as it's not 440 at this point.
Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. Got $520.15 green on the day. I'm not seeing anything else that I want to trade. And I want to go research.
A terrible average on that. I'm 407.
Really wrap my head around flat dollar risk approach and
407
dynamic risk scaling. So I think I'm gonna call it here, guys.
I have to be very precise if I want decent return.
Jeffrey, I appreciate all your insight, and
I'm trying to get 50 cents, which is
it's definitely helpful.
Close at 350 so I can really
Pointing me in the right direction.
My precision's been off lately.
Woodgar, Jorian, you guys have a wonderful day. And we will catch you guys later. I'll be on tomorrow. You too, man. Have a good day, man.
I'm gonna take a nap after this.
Peace.